Welcome to J&J's test video of a 9451. This is a 1994 LT1 C4 Corvette. In the back here. Got a little Corsa exhaust on it, 6-speed manual, 342 rear end. The last year of OD1. Runs, got a set of aftermarket wheels on it. We got a front bumper. I think we got a hood. Yeah, that hood will be fine. Let's see what we got in here. Got little Luigi footprints. 120,215 miles. Battery box getting a little weak. Runs good. The row your own shifter. Got a radio. Amp works. Heater control works. Let's see what else we got. Super seat action. Oh, there we go. C4s, they're all stripped out. Frame's broken on the glass. Seats might have been replaced. Cluster's good. That's about it. Let's see how it runs. Fast rever. They always rev faster in the manuals. Alright, that's about it. Give you one last walk around. Pull a little dirt out of there. Alright, as always, thank you for watching. Oh, gotta check the headlights. Get your pets spayed and neutered. Pop-up headlights. And they work. As always, thank you for watching.